Hi everyone, this is 2023 August Regent Geometry. Okay. So we start part 2 today. Right? So we're gonna finish up to the end part 4. Okay. All right, here is number 25. So we have a quadrilateral ROCK rock, another primable rock it grabbed over here. So describe the sequence transformations. It can be more than once, but when you take a look over here, this one is very simple transformation rotation, right? K and K and C and C prime and C. Okay. And the first of all, you can check it out its orientation. ROCK, counterclockwise, and ROCK also counterclockwise. So there's no line reflection. Okay. So rotation is possible. Translation is not working because translation is if you have this one in some of your it's gonna be same order, right? If this is A B C D, always by A B C D, something like this one. Okay, so this is not translation. This is rotations, but rotation must have a center. Okay, this is where the center over here. You can use the graph over here. Make the line over here. The center's over here, right? So check it out. This one is when x equals negative 3, y is 2. The other one is when x is 1, y is negative 1. Okay. So what is the midpoint? Midpoint is negative 3 plus 1 divided by 2, and 2 plus minus 1 divided by 2, right? So that is equals to negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. So 1 over 2 is 0.5. That is midpoint. That's the center, okay? So this is rotation. Counterclockwise, 180 degree, center at negative 1, 0.5. Okay, using this one, you can describe the rotation, okay? Or you can use this one too, R 180 degree, okay? At center is negative 1 and 0.5. That means what? Center, okay? You can use this symbol, okay, too. Here is number 26. The triangle CEM. CE is 3x plus 10. ME 5x minus 14. CM is 2x minus 6. So angle is vertex. So these two angles are base angles. These two sides must be congruent. Opposite side are congruent. So you have to solve this one using algebra, okay? 3x plus 10 equals 5x minus 14. So 2x equals plus 14 both are 24, x equals 12. Okay? All right, now we're gonna find the value of x, all right? Or x equals 12 is better, right? Number 27. Your pole that casts 91 feet long, said okay. This is 53 degree. We're gonna find the height of this one, pole, okay? This is a right angle. Okay, using tangent trigonometry is better, right? Tangent 53 equals h over 91. H equals 91 times tangent 53. Okay, or you can use lobe sine too, but if you want to lobe sine, you're gonna find this angle. This angle is how much? 37 degree, right? So sine 37, opposite side 91 equals sine 53, opposite side x. Cross multiplication, okay? You get the same answers. Now let's find the answer here. 91 times and tangent and the 53. How much? Oops. That's a radian, right? So we're gonna change to degree over here. So 91, not 92. 91 times tangent 53, 120.76. So nearest the tenth, okay, 120.8 is the answer, okay, 120.8, but we need unit. That's the answer, okay. Here is number 28. A man spray painting top over 10 partial tables. 5 round tab and the 5 is rectangle tab. Round tab is 1. Diameter is 4, radius is 2 feet. This we have a 5 over here. And the rectangle. One is 4 and 6 feet. Okay, this is another 5 over here. What is the area of this one? Pi r squared is 4 pi times 5 equals what? 120. This one is 4 times 6 is 24. 5 of this one is 24 times 5 equals what? This is 20 pi, I'm sorry. This is 20 pi. This is 120. Okay, some of this area is what? 20 pi and plus 120. But you need to divide what? The cover area is 25. It takes 1 can, right? Divide by 25. Oh, 20 pi and plus 120 and over 25. So 7.31, right? We need 8 cans. That's the answer, okay? Oh, here is number 29. We need to construct one of mid segment. There are 3 mid segments. Okay, if we choose the 2 midpoint over here, that is what segment, or the other one over here, or the other one over here. Okay, but I'm gonna choose only this one. Okay, I'm gonna do AHL. I'm gonna maybe BD segment to BD. We're gonna contract. This is the midpoint. Okay, that is mid segment. First, we'll use like compass and keep the same distance. Make an arc from H. Put this number compass point A. Make an arc. Compass A, keeping the same distance, okay? So this is a midpoint. It's the same thing. Another one, midpoint over here. So after that, using strategy, make the line, okay? This is a mid segment. All right, number 30. So angle T is 90. This is also altitude 90. This is mean proportion, okay? That is the formula, right? Okay. This is TQ. This is 1 to 4 here. So each one, this is K, the other one is 4 over K, right? Now we need to find the value of K there. So the formula is A squared. 64 equals K times 4K, right? 4K squared. So actually, K squared is 16, K is 4, okay? So this side is 4, the other side is 16. So SR equals 4 plus 16 equals 20 is the answer, okay? Number 31. Line that's the center of here. I'm going to choose this B. Factor 2 is we extended the line. With same line, we have another B prime, okay? D prime. So what is the equation of the line pass through these 2 points? The same line, okay? Pass through this point, this another point, it has the same line. You can explain this one, okay? When you have a center on the line, okay, the result line also are same, okay? You can explain that way. All right, number 32. So a back concrete mix, one back covers what? 0.6 cubic feet. So we're gonna get the volume of these figures in cubic feet. This is feet, this is feet, this is inches. 9 over 12, that is feet. Okay, so which is what? 3 over 4, that is what? 0.75 feet this side. The other side also what? 0.75 feet. Total is how much? 1.5. This is how much? 3.5 minus 1.5, that is 2 feet, right? So what is the area of a shaded region over here? 3.5 square, or 3.5 times 3.5, and minus 2 times 2. That's the area of this top, right? Tabletop. But after that, you multiply the height, 1.5. That is the volume, okay, of cubic inches. So let me check out this one. So after that, each cubic, okay, one back covers 0.6 cubic. You can divide 0.6. This is a cubic feet another cubic feet cube, right? That is the number of bag of concrete. Okay, that is the number of bag. So use your calculator, find the answer over here, okay? So 3.5 square. 3.5 n square minus 2.2 square. 2 point time is 4. Okay, I'm going to use the 4 over here. Okay, that is 8.25. After that, 8.25 times, okay, 1.5, okay? Okay, I'm going to do this, okay? At the same time, okay? That is 4. I need to write the parentheses over here. Another parentheses. And times 1.5 and over 0.6. So 20.65, we need what? 21 bags of concrete, okay? Number 33. So we have a sport beam and this is a telephone pole. This will reach only 70% of 11 meters. So 0.7 times 11 is what? This length is 7.7 meter. All right. So this angle, elevation angle, 65 degree. So we're gonna find, okay, the length of this sport beam. Okay, I'm gonna use this is okay. Take x is okay too. Right. So what do we need? Trigonometry. Trig function is what? Sine is okay, right? Sine 65 degree equals 7.7 over hypotenuse x. So x equals 7.7 over sine 65 degree. Okay, but when you use your calculator, you guys need to check always what is the degree mode of it. This is degree mode, that's fine. So 7.7 over sine 65. So 8.49, okay? So nearest distance is what? 8.5, okay? 8.5 meter. That's the answer. Okay, we have one more here, okay. So we're gonna find, okay, the base from the base port. This base, we're gonna find this. I'm gonna I take a white, it doesn't matter. So at this time, better use these two numbers. If you already this one, this is rounded number already, okay? So tangent 65 degree equals 7.7 over y, okay? This is y equals 7.7 over tangent 65, okay? So use this one. 7.7 over tangent 65. Okay, so the answer is what? 3.6, or nearly tenths of meter, okay? Yeah, 3.6 meter. Another one over here, we have quadrilateral 0 and 4 over here. 0 and 4, that is A. And the B is 3 and 8. And the C is 8 and 3, 8 and 3 C. And this is 5 and negative 1, okay? This is 5 and negative 1, that's D. So when you make the line, yeah, that is a quadrilateral, okay? But this quadrilateral is a parallelogram, but not rectangle. We have to prove this one. So the rectangle parallelogram is what? Opposite side of parallel, right? Because we gotta use, okay, one of the angle is not right angle. But this is a parallelogram, but you have to show that one of the angle is not right angle, okay? That's it. So first one, we're gonna use the slope. Slope of AB first. Slope of AB, how much? 8 minus 4 over 3 minus 0, okay? That is 4 over 3. So slope of opposite side is CD. Minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3, y2 minus y, 5 minus 8. That is negative 4 over negative 3, 4 over 3, right? But they are equal. So AB parallel CD, right? Now the next opposite side is slope of BC. How much? 8, 3 minus 8 over 8 minus 3. And that is what? Negative 5 over 5 equals negative 1, okay? Now opposite side, AD. Negative 1 minus 4 over 5 minus 0. Negative 5 over 5 is still negative 1. They are equal, okay? So, BC must be parallel AD, right? AD. So both opposite side parallel. So ABCD is a parallelogram, okay? Because what? You can explain over here. Both opposite side are parallel, okay? But we have to show that one right angle B, check out angle B over here. Okay, slope of AB forward 3 and slope of BC equals negative 1. Okay, they are not negative reciprocal. Okay, not negative. You can explain this way. Not negative reciprocal. So angle B is not right angle. So altogether, right, parallelogram with the one angle is not right angle. That is what? Just parallelogram, okay? You have to show this one, okay? Right. Number 35 over here. Oh, this is given over here. Statement, reasons. AF, CT, parallel. Same side, not this times, congruent. This is given, another one is given. From 1 and 2, you can say one pair of opposite sides parallel, both parallel and congruent, that quadrilateral is parallelogram, okay? So this is quadrilateral. FACD is a parallelogram. The reason is what? If one pair of opposite side are both parallel and congruent, it is a parallelogram. Okay. The next one is a parallelogram. There is a parable, right? Opposite sides are parallel, right? So AB and parallel RT. You can use this one, okay? Or AB. I mean, you can use what? AB. Okay. AB parallel FT. It doesn't matter, okay? Yeah. So what is that? In a parallelogram, opposite side are parallel. Using this one, we can see the angle A, angle T, angle BAE, congruent angle RTE, right? What is that? You can explain if parallel lines are cut by a transverse, okay? Alternate interior angles are congruent, okay? Or just write alternate interior angles congruent is okay too, right? It depends on your teacher. Second, I'm going to use these two angles. angle BEA congruent angle RET. This time it's just right. Vertical angles congruent, okay? Vertical angles are congruent. So angle theorem, triangle ABE, similar triangle DRE. Okay? Angle similar theorem, okay? Or just angle similar is okay too. Using this one, corresponding side in proportion, talking about the ABTE, right? ABTE, these two sides. So that AB corresponding side is what? RT, but over here TR, there is TR. And the other side is AE. In this smaller triangle, the large triangle is what? TE, right? This corresponding sides are in proportion, okay? This is 7. 8 is what? In similars. Corresponding side are in proportion, okay? After that, you can use the cross multiplication, okay? AB times TE equals AE times TR. I'm going to use, okay, product of means, okay? Product of means, I'm going to, POM is equal to POE, right? Extremes, okay? That's all. Okay, this is the last questions, okay? Okay, next time we're going to continue our 2023 January test, okay? Thank you so much.